In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change gender in LEGO Fortnite. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have plenty of outfits or skins equipped and you switch between them on your locker, you might be able to notice that there is no option to switch between genders. So while it is still possible to do this, you won't be able to switch genders directly. So basically, to answer this question, you just have to switch your outfits. So go over to your locker, and for this example, I'm going to take away the skin or the outfit that I have. Now immediately upon going back to the LEGO Fortnite lobby, you will be able to see the default skin that they distribute for all players. If I switch over to Battle Royale, you will be able to see it here as the standard skin, not in the LEGO minifigure mode. So basically, to answer the question in the title of this video, like I said, you will not be able to switch genders even for the default skin. So the only option that you have to switch genders is to equip custom skins. So I have this one, the Holiday Boxy, that was given away during Christmas, and you will notice that it is a female skin. So all that I have to do to switch genders in LEGO Fortnite is to equip this skin and go over to the game mode. Besides this, like I said, you don't have any option to toggle between the genders. So if you only have access to the default outfit, sadly, you simply have to wait until Epic distributes a skin of your preferred gender. But as it stands today, the only way to switch genders is to equip a skin that has the gender that you want to use. So browse through your locker and find one here and then equip it. Once you equip it, you can go back to the LEGO Fortnite lobby and the new skin with the specified gender will be displayed. To my knowledge, there is no way to switch the genders for every specific skin. So for example, I cannot use this holiday or Christmas skin with a male character. It is locked to a female body because it was distributed like this. I hope I was able to help you on how to change gender in LEGO Fortnite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.